Bender is the fan-fave breakout robot character from Matt Groening's thrice-rebooted show Futurama. Constantly trying to gain attention, Bender has been described as, among other things, rude, selfish, a narcissist, a sociopath, a pathological liar, but with a soft side. He has an affinity for turtles, penguins, and Napoleon Bonaparte. The cigar-smoking, drinking, gambling, high-tech industrial metalwork robot was built in the manufacturing facility of Mom's Friendly Robot Company in Tijuana, Mexico in the year 2996. His name, Bender, was chosen by Groening as an homage to John Bender, played by Judd Nelson, a character from the movie The Breakfast Club. During the concept phase of the show, the design for Bender went through multiple changes before reaching its final state. One of the decisions Groening found to be particularly difficult was whether Bender's head should be square or round. Initially, he worked under the idea that all robots would have square heads in the year 3000, a decision that was later reversed. Speaking of his head, the antenna on top of it, it's more than just a transmitter. Over the course of the series, it's been, among other things, a beer tap, a popcorn butter pump, and a snooze button. One last thing, Bender's grandmother is a bulldozer. For more on Bender, including a full lesson on how to draw him, go to my YouTube channel, Level Up Cartooning.